I'm Charlie, the Metalhead Maker, and I'm back. Here it is. Pretty simple to make. Really only use the table saw for most of the build. In the video you saw me use the miter sled to make the miters. You could use a miter saw. I like using my miter sled. It's very accurate and I get really good results with it. There's other YouTube makers out there that have videos on how to make a miter sled, so check one of those out. I recommend Steve Ramsey. It's been a while since I've posted a video and I really want to change that. So it's going to become my personal mission to do at least one video a month to keep all you metalheads and woodworkers completely satisfied. I hope you guys like this video. Tell me what you thought in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Please share this with your friends. And I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, stay metal.